Hello everyone, my name is Dun Fan from Group 13 Vibration course, and today I'm gonna explain about the MATLAB software we use to validate our group assignment 3. So at the first, we can see that here are the mass and then the spring constant 1 and spring constant 2, and here are the value we already typed in, and follow out here is the initial trial vector, and this one is the tolerance for iteration. As we know, when we do more number of iteration, the difference between the new iteration and the last iteration, the S normalized will become very small. So we set the tolerance is the 0.001. So when the MATLAB run the program, the coding, when detect all the tolerance, the difference between new and old iteration is 0.001 or lesser, then it will stop the continue do the iteration and came out all the result. So and then next one, here is the we starting at the lowest natural frequency and starting from the design one, and here are all the coding and formula used, and then you can see so the S normalized when it's lesser than the tolerance we set is 0.001, then it will break and then come out, then another formula, and then come out the result. Then follow up is the design tool, same procedure, and then next one is the highest natural frequency, and starting from design one, all the steps are quite similar as the lowest natural frequency. They are only a little bit different. And then here's the design tool. Okay, so then everything finished, then it will print out the result. Um, and then next one is the mod sheet. We need to plot the mod sheet. So here are the coding, and we using the subplot to plot. So all the detailed coding, uh, you guys can refer through our report lah. Then we will start run our coding. So we need to enter the maximum number of iterations. So let's see if we enter 1000. Okay, so here are all the results. Oh, and then this one is our mod sheet. Starting from the like lowest mod sheet from design 1, design 2, and then this highest design 1, design 2, and here is the S1, S2. So all the same. And here are our coding. And then like this one, it will end out until the sixth iteration, and then design 2 end out at the 8th iteration, and then this one is 5 iteration for high natural frequency for design 1. This one is 7. So it will come out all the result, the mod sheet information, lowest natural frequency, all the result will come out. So that's all of our group assignment 3 presentation video. Thank you everyone.